Mastering Drop-Down Lists in Excel Android app, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our quick guide on making the most of Excel on your Android device. Today, we're tackling a common challenge. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The Excel Android app lacks a direct way to create drop-down lists. But don't worry, we've got a workaround. Start by launching Excel on your Windows computer. Here, you'll utilize the data validation tool to craft your drop-down list. It's simple and effective. After setting up your list, ensure you save your Excel file to OneDrive. This step is crucial for the next part of our process. Now, switch to your Android device. Open the Excel app and access your file from OneDrive. Voila, your drop-down list is ready to use. But there's more. For an enhanced experience, try clicking on a cell within a table, then select Card View. It changes everything. Suddenly, your spreadsheet feels more like a native Android app. Intuitive, accessible, and just a tap away. Enjoy your newfound Excel prowess.